So here's the question, is Apple about to drop the most powerful iPad we've ever seen? Just months after the M4. Yep, the rumor mill is buzzing, and the leaks about the upcoming iPad Pro M5 are honestly kind of wild. Today we're diving into everything we know so far. Specs, price, release date, and trust me, some of these changes could make you rethink whether the iPad can finally replace your laptop. Stick around because there's one rumor at the end that might be the biggest game changer of them all. Let's start with the headline. The iPad Pro is expected to ship with Apple's brand new M5 chip. Not just a slight bump from the M4, but a full generational leap. Word is it's being built on an even more advanced 3 nanometer, or possibly 2 nanometer process. What does that mean for you? Faster performance, better efficiency, and the really exciting part, massive upgrades to the neural engine. Apple's clearly leaning into AI across all their devices. And the M5 could turn the iPad Pro into a portable AI powerhouse. Imagine running AI-driven editing tools or real-time transcription apps right on your tablet, no cloud required. That's not just an upgrade, that's a whole new category of use. But the M5 chip isn't the only big upgrade. Leaks suggest Apple might bump the base RAM up to 16 gigabytes. To put that in perspective, the current M4 Pro starts at 8 gigabytes, unless you splurge on higher storage. Doubling the memory as standard would be huge for multitasking, Stage Manager, and Pro apps. Think about running Final Cut, Logic Pro, and a couple of heavy design apps all side by side, without your iPad even breaking a sweat. If iPadOS 26 really does bring things like proper windowed multitasking and a revamped Files app, this upgrade could finally push the iPad Pro into true laptop replacement territory. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Something that might not sound flashy at first, but could be a total quality of life win. Dual front-facing cameras. The rumor is Apple's adding one on the portrait side and another on the landscape side. Why? Because let's be honest, nothing kills the vibe faster than having to tilt your iPad awkwardly during FaceTime or Zoom just to be framed correctly. With 2 cameras, Face ID and video calls would just work no matter how you're holding it. Simple, smart, and one of those features that makes you go, why didn't they think of this sooner? Design-wise, don't expect a radical overhaul. Apple's sticking with the ultra-thin profile, and that stunning OLED Ultra Retina XDR display they introduced with the M4. We're talking insane brightness, rich contrast, and buttery smooth visuals whether you're editing HDR video or binging Netflix. Sizes should remain the same, 11 and 13 inches, with multiple suppliers lined up to keep production steady. In short, the outside might look familiar, but the magic's happening under the hood. So when do we actually see this thing? Buzz points to a fall 2025 launch, likely October. September's booked for the iPhone 17, so the iPad Pro should get its own spotlight right after. With mass production set for late summer, the timing checks out. Now here's the kicker. M5 chip, more RAM, dual cameras, plus iPadOS 26 features like live activities and windowed multitasking. This could be the most capable iPad yet. But here's the real question. Do you wait for the M5 or stick with the M4 already out? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you liked this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Apple leaks and reviews.